In front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to the on Apps over here. When you're ready, choose Default Apps and tap on any of those sections you wanna manage. I wish to change my browser, so I have to click here on Browser app. Click on Firefox to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!